Good morning, everybody. Welcome to My Creative Time with Emma, and also welcome to another 48-hour flash sale and blog hop. First of all, I just want to say that I took a whole week off from doing any videos because I'm not sure if you noticed, but last week when I was doing my videos, I was like losing my voice and I had to literally stop like all of the, I think I did like maybe 2 videos, I think last week, or 3, but I had to stop each video at least 5 or 10 times because I couldn't stop coughing because my allergies, I get my allergies in my throat, so it's terrible, so I can't even like complete a full sentence without, you know what I'm saying, just having a cough attack. So that's why I didn't have any videos this week, because I figured, you know what, I'm going to rest my throat and, you know, just take stuff, because allergy season is so bad right now. I cannot believe it. So I was just doing, you know, little stuff to help me. So that's why I didn't do any videos this week, because I figured I'd save myself for today. So I feel tons better. Still have a little bit of the scratchy throat, only because we still have baseball games right now. So we're outside for my son, Anthony. So we're outside, you know, with all the dirt and all the flying, you know, the wind and everything, but it's not half as bad as it was the last few weeks, thank God. So anyways, I'm super duper excited today because we have a brand new exclusive kit for you. And this has, just like our kits in the past, it has stamps, dies, and a stencil. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show it to you right now. This is our brand new kit called A Sunny Hello. And it comes with my super, as you can see, the nails. I painted my nails. It's called Lemon. So I was super excited when it came in the mail. It came in just in time. So anyways, it's a Sunny Hello kit. And I believe it has a total of 18 stamps, along with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coordinating dies, and one of my favorite in the whole wide world, the polka dot stencil. Now the stencils are almost maybe a quarter inch shy of 6 by 6. The actual stencil, which I can show you right here. This is the actual stencil, so it's pretty big. It's a good size. And then the stamps. Now, as you know, with all the, for those of you who do purchase my kits, I do put in the back 2 bonus projects for you. And that's just basically ideas of what we had in mind, and, you know, more stuff for you to create using this kit. And these are exclusive projects, pictures of them. So, and you won't see them on any of our blogs. So let me go ahead and grab the stamps for you real quick. Okay, here goes the stamps right here, and let me see this. I'm trying to find something to put it behind. Let's just put it behind this piece of cardstock here so you can see. Aren't those adorable? These are the actual stamps, okay? And then we have the coordinating dies right here. All right, so we have the word Hello Sunshine, and then these are 3 separate dies. There's a heart, a circle, and a little sun. So this way you could layer the little circle onto the sun and make it look super cute. So for today's card, we are going to create a happy birthday card. There is a stamps, a sentiment in here. It says happy birthday. And so basically, let me just quickly show you this really fast. For the stamps here, you could go ahead and create where it says you are my, and you could go ahead and match it up to sunshine, or you could use the die. So there's different little sayings. May your day be filled with sunshine, or thanks for making my day a little brighter. Or you could put, you know, the world is brighter with you in it. And I have that little exclamation point right there. That's to put behind brighter when you use this one. Thanks for making my day a little brighter. You could put that there. And you don't need the little exclamation when you put it here, because this is going to be right in the center where it says the world is brighter with you in it. So hopefully that makes sense, okay? So I just wanted to quickly show that to you really fast. So what I did was I went ahead and I cut out a little piece of cardstock here, and this is just using I like to try and use everything that's in the actual kit, but I love the stitching on my, my rectangular die. So I went ahead, this is not included in the kit, This is just the rectangular die, because I wanted something with decorative stitching on here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to make a quick card. It's going to be a quick birthday card. And I'm using this Distress Ink Squeezed Lemonade. And then I'm going to go ahead and just grab this little, I find these little daubers here are the best way to use your actual stencils. I've used this before, and for some reason it works, but not as good as this, okay? So I kind of want to do this like in a little, let's see, like in a little diagonal this way, because what I want to put my sun over here at the sentiment here. So what we are going to do, let me tape this down really quick here. I should probably tape it onto a mat, but we're just going to use this. I just kind of get that like so. Hopefully that doesn't move. I'm going to put on these corners because I'm not going to do anything with these corners. Hopefully this is in the camera there. Okay, it is. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and take our little dauber and then use our, what is this called? Squeeze Lemonade Distress Ink. And I'm just going to go ahead and just lightly go down. I don't want it dark, to be honest with you. I kind of just want a little subtle polka dots here. And for those of you who have been following me, I absolutely love polka dots. So I had to for sure incorporate a stencil somewhere in one of my kits. And the funny thing is, I don't think I even own a polka dot stencil, to be honest with you. So I kind of want to make this as subtle as possible. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Let's see how it comes out. Or I'm thinking maybe I should do the whole thing. No, we're not going to do the whole thing. We're just going to leave it as is, okay? Because I want to kind of definitely make my little sun stand out here. So let's go ahead and take that off. Oopsie. There we go. Okay, actually, you know what? This is exactly what I had in mind. Just a little subtle. I mean, you could do so much. You could go ahead and emboss with that. I do have a video on my blog, and I'll go ahead and link it in this post, okay? So what I did was, before I turned on the camera, I was kind of playing around with this sun, and I was going to do it again, but I figured, you know, I don't want to waste this. So what I did was I cut out the sun and the circle, went ahead and put a little pop dot and layered that on top, and that's that cutie patootie little bold face that comes in there. Then I used my little chalk to color the little cheeks, okay? So what I did was I just went ahead, I'm going to secure this better because I know this won't stay, but I just put a tape behind here because I kind of wanted to put that up there and make this look like a little balloon sunshine. And then the sentiments are happy birthday sunshine. So I am thinking maybe this could go somewhere right here. So let me go ahead and, oops, let me put a little pencil mark here. Somewhere right there. Okay, so that's where we're going to put this, and I could go ahead and erase that pencil mark afterwards. So let's go ahead and ink this up. And what I like to do before I make my final inking impression, I like to actually stamp, hold on, let me grab this piece of scratch paper here. I like to stamp on an actual regular just piece of scrap cardstock just to make sure we're all good, you know what I'm saying? Because it is brand new and I never used this one yet. So I wanted to make sure, as you see, I really didn't have to test it because look how perfect that came out. Beautiful. I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just, now that we tested that and it's perfect, I'm going to go ahead and stamp this on here where my little line was. Just like so. And then what we're going to do, we are going to, let me just wipe this off really fast. We are going to go ahead and just, hold on, I have ink on my fingers and I don't want to touch my card like I did before and made it dirty. Let me find a little, let's see if this eraser, go ahead and just erase that little pencil line. Just wanted to use that as my guide of where I wanted that to stamp. Okay, so now that we've stamped that little guy, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stamp happy birthday now. Okay, and again, I'm going to go ahead and test this on a little separate scrap right here, just to make sure. There we go, perfecto. Happy birthday, sunshine. So we're going to go ahead and just stamp this one right here, right above here. Alright, and then, okay, look at how cute that looks. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I don't want to use this because it will come off. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off here. I'm going to lift, let me grab some tweezers. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off this piece of tape because that's not going to do us any good. Just going to lift it up just a little bit like so. And then I'm going to use this tape right here. It's like a little double stick tape. And then I'm going to put this to secure this down like so. There we go. I think that'll hold it just a tad bit better than, like, you know, like the Scotch tape. Let me make sure you can't see it. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then this is how we're going to go ahead and tape it down. Just like so. Put this here. And then another one, we're going to put another one across the little black little twine. There we go. And then this is going to go like so. And I kind of want to just like probably just glue this down somewhere, but I want to get this down first, and then I'll know where I want the bottom of this, the little string to go to. So let me just lift this up with my tweezers. Just like so. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead let's put that right there. Okay, alright, so I like it. So now let's go ahead and just, I wonder if I should make a little knot. Let's see. Alright, so maybe we'll do it like that. Let's do it like that. Okay, so let me go ahead and just grab, let me think, how should I fix this to make it where it won't move? Let's try our little multi-matte medium here. Now I know this will dry clear, so I'm just going to go ahead and hold that down just for a little bit. And then this is going to get glued down right here. That's cute. Okay. Going to take some off just a tad. I want to get my nails full of glue since I just did them. This nail's messed up because it's weird. See how it's like curved, all messed up. I like kind of cut it with the knife and now it's growing out all funny looking. So it's almost completely almost going to be non-weird looking soon. Okay, so I'm just kind of holding that down just for a little bit because I want it to stay. So I think that should be good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this on this side. And we're going to go ahead and just put this like that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hold this part down. just like so. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and add some sequins to this just to kind of dress her up a bit, make her a little bit more shiny. So let me grab those out while I'm holding this down. So of course I'm just going to go to my go-to little tiny, okay, I think that should be good. So let me go ahead and just go like that. And then we're going to go ahead and put some sequins on here. Oops. Okay, so let me, I think I got glue stuck on my hand. Okay, I think we're just going to do it just like that. Something simple. You know me, I love simple. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and quickly adhere this down because I don't even know what base we're going to use. We might just use a plain white card base, but we shall see in a minute. Let me just get these on. Oh, I put too much on there. Alright, and then put this here. I feel like this video is going to take forever. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and just quickly get this onto a card base. Let me grab the cardstock real fast. Okie dokie, here is the final card. I didn't want to make you suffer and have you watch me put the pop-up tape behind the layer, and I use this here. This is my favorite tape. I put behind this little layer, and I just layered it directly onto my favorite paper tray ink cardstock. And then what I did was well, you saw me put the little sequins on there. What I did was I got my little white Sakura Jelly Roll pen, and I put 3 little white dots on each side of the cheek. And then I used my favorite glossy accents, and I went in and I put that on the eyes. And that is it, everyone. That is my card for today. And here is the actual kit. I super love this kit. This is definitely going to brighten someone's day, anything you make with this. Now keep in mind, this is an exclusive kit, so once it's gone forever. I will not carry it again. It is available right now for purchase in my store. And don't forget to use the code FLASH, and it's all capital letters, FLASH. Use that code at checkout to get a 20% off discount off of your entire purchase, and that discount applies to in-stock items only. And the sale is for 48 hours, which starts right now today, 8 a.m. May 4th, 2018, and it will end on Sunday, May 6th, 2018 at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, everybody? So that's about it. Don't forget to head on over to my blog at www.creativetimeforme.com to hop along with us for even more inspiration on using this set. And don't forget to leave your comments on all of our blogs for a chance to win a $25 gift card to the My Creative Time store, and I will announce that winner next week on my blog. Okay, everybody? Thank you so very much for tuning in. Have a fabulous day and have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you all back here on Monday. Bye-bye.